This is Niranjan Reddy, Assistant Professor, BITS Warangal. Today we'll see impact, elastic collision of bodies, coefficient of restitution. When two bodies with initial velocities collide, their energies are exchanged and the final velocities are observed. So, so that is called collision of elastic bodies. So we have different types of impact: central or non-central impact, direct or indirect impact. When the center of masses of elastic bodies are on the line of impact, it is called central impact. Otherwise, it is non-central impact. So this is, let us say, this is one example. So body A, B, mass ma, initial velocity va, initial velocity vb, and mass b. So here this is direct and central impact. When the velocities of elastic bodies before impact are collinear, it is called direct impact. If it is not collinear, it is called indirect impact, like oblique impact or eccentric impact. So they come under indirect impact. So here direct and central impact. So here the center of masses of two elastic bodies are on the line of impact. So it is direct impact. And so line of impact is defined as, it is the normal line, it is the line normal to the surfaces of two elastic bodies. So which is called line of impact. So here, so this is example of direct and central impact. So we'll see one example on this. So here two elastic bodies, 1 and 2. So here m1 is the mass, u1 is the initial velocity of mass 1, m2 is the mass, u2 is the initial velocity of body 2 or elastic body 2, or let us say these two are the spheres, two spheres. So it is moving in this direction and this sphere is moving in this direction, both are moving in the same direction. So when velocity of this one is greater than velocity of this one, so at one moment, so this sphere will hit this sphere. So collision of elastic bodies occurs. So after the collision of elastic bodies, so the energies of the both bodies energies are changed. So if it is an elastic body, it will regain or regain its original shape. If it is not elastic body, it cannot regain its original shape. The bodies may deform. So two elastic bodies with initial velocities, u1 initial velocities. Let us consider two elastic bodies. So they are having particular initial velocities. So after the collision of bodies or after the impact, direct or indirect, central or non-central, it will, the final velocities of the elastic bodies will change. So that we will write in the form of equation. So this is conservation of momentum equation. So which is given by m1 into u1 plus m2 into u2 is equal to m1 into v1 plus m2 into v2. So here these are the final velocities of the elastic body, these are the initial velocities of the elastic body. So we cannot find the unknowns. So in one equation, so other equation, so based on natural impact is given by E is equal to V2 minus V1 divided by U2 minus U1. So this minus sign is given here because we will have generally this value between 0 and 1. So that is why here this sign is given, where E is coefficient of restitution. So this is about collision of elastic bodies, and the E value is 1 for perfectly elastic impact, and it is 0 for perfectly plastic impact. So this E value will change from 0 to 1, so depending on the material behavior of the elastic body or rigid body. So this is brief about impact, collision of elastic bodies, coefficient of restitution. So we'll meet with another topic in the coming class. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.